Hi, in this video we'll give you an overview of our new plan management feature. Plan management is designed to help you assign and manage activities efficiently. All activities you have assigned to a class, both current and scheduled activities, can be saved as a plan. Once this plan has been saved, you can load it to other classes of the same or different grade levels, or even share it with teachers who use Matific outside your school. First, let's look at how to create a plan. Make sure that the activities you wish to include in the plan are already assigned. Go to Manage Activities. Click Manage Plan and then Save and Share Plans. Enter a plan name. Now you can see two options below. Save assigned activities to anyone in the class or the whole class only. If you select anyone in the class, it means all the activities assigned to the whole class, a group or a student will be included in the plan. When you click Save, you have the option to copy a link that can be used to share your plan. Now we have switched to a different account and class. Go to Manage Plan and Load Plan. Select the class to which you wish to load the plan. Paste the link. Do note that you need to share the link outside Matific, such as via email. And you can see that all the activities have been imported and assigned to the whole class. That is because when you load a plan, all the activities are assigned to your whole class according to the assignment settings of the original plan. However, you can customize these activities afterwards without affecting the original plan. Also note that all activities imported from a plan will have an imported label next to them to differentiate them from other activities. If you select the whole class only activities assigned to the whole class will be included. Let's try it out. As you can see, only the activity which was assigned to the whole class in the original plan has been imported. You can load a plan in 3 ways. We already used the share link to load plans. Now, let's load a plan from saved plans. When you load a plan, there is an option to clear previously assigned activities. You can either clear activities assigned through previously loaded plans or clear all activities assigned. We are going to clear all the activities. Click Load. So in this way, you can easily load a saved plan to different classes. Please note that when you load a plan, activities with due dates in the past won't be loaded. Let's look at an example. As you can see, these activities were assigned in the past. Let's save these activities as a plan and load it to another class. And you can see that no activities were loaded. Lastly, you can load a preset plan. Matific has a preset plan for each textbook and curriculum, customized for every grade level. Instead of assigning a year's worth of work yourself, you can select one of these presets and load it for your class. They will now have assigned work for every week. How great and time-saving is this? What's not great is if you loaded the wrong plan. Fear not, because you can easily clear imported activities. Go to Manage Plan and click Clear Imported Activities and click Clear Activities. This will clear all activities assigned via plans. Admins, main and team teachers can all save, share, load plans and clear imported activities. That's pretty much it about plan management. If you have any questions, please be sure to let us know. Thank you.